Ladies and gentlemen, may present to you the newly written photos, Rickard and Anthony. We'll give a round of applause. Okay. Today is the 8th day of July. This day, this year, will never go back to the rest of your life. I know that you've been teasing each other. But this will now be your first official kiss. I'll give you 9 seconds. And if you're not going to give through, then I'll give you 90 seconds. Now the play with the motion. You're now allowed to kiss. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Congratulations! Okay, so you sit down now. And then